Movement. No. There you go. Yeah. Did you see that? Woo! Come on, Belle. Hey, have you shot a bird yet? Hey, come over here. Come over here.
Come on, Lex, come get it.
Haley, and what's your name?
Lexi.
Lexi. Haley and Lexi, come stand right by. Watch it go down, guys. Like, psych each other out by seeing them do this. Like, he thinks he's got it, he thinks he's got it, but none of them have it. But watch
She
them.
dropped the hen right here.
Oh, she did? Oh, grab it. Pick it up.
Hello!
Oh, there it is. There.
Oh, come on.
We're like, oh.
Could be one of those birds that jumps.
What surprised you guys?
It was moving. It's definitely not.
Oh, there it is. Good job, Max. Get it. Whoa.
There he goes.
Lead it. There you go.
Down.
Bell.
Oh, there's another bird driving by. He does not want to touch the birds, guys. You can't. She's not going to take any of these lives. She's not taking any credit for any of these lives. Lost.
Get in the middle there, honey.
Mom.
Yeah.